Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, southwestern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, George County in southeastern Mississippi, southeastern Perry County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Greene County in southeastern Mississippi, eastern Stone County in southeastern Mississippi, until 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southwest of McLean to 4 miles east of Saucier, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lucedale, Leakesville, and McLean. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Alabama and southeastern Mississippi.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.